yakni benta jongga kubor la OneRaj P daga fatafat online shopping store.
Menteri Kakwat Kakia jong Gejala Meghalaya uba ALHEC henne ke Sngi kan riu tarik unai tung ulai thu ba Gejala Meghalaya tang henne ke Sngi kaladan ya Phra Ngut ki bayo thamai ya COVID-19 uba hek ula pentip bana kini ki Phra Ngut iwei idei na West Garo Hills iwei na Ribhoi district ban reungut na East RiKhasi district ha ka ba sangut na kini ki dik sipai BSF bat iwei idei bawan phai na gahati uba hek ula ongru bana ki lai phun reungut ki active case ha Meghalaya kha Phra Ngut ki dei ha East RiKhasi district ha ka ba khat nyongut ki dei ki sipai BSF but iwei idei bawan phai na ka jing khawai shongkurem na Greenwood Resort gati khat arngut Ribhoi district arngut ha Southwest Garo Hills iwei ha East Jante Hills but laingut ha West Garo Hills.
In the state of Meghalaya, today only we have 8 positive cases. Only today. Yeah, today. Mynta Sngi Ioh Phra Ngut positive cases as the state of Meghalaya. Out of 8 cases which we have got today, 1 is from West Garo Hills district, 1 is from the Ribhoi district, 6 is from East RiKhasi Hills district, from East RiKhasi Hills district, 5 are from BSF, and 1 is the wedding attendee that on the Greenwood Resort. In East RiKhasi Hills district, we have 17 cases, active cases. 16 belong from the BSF, 1 which I have already told you for the positive, which is we have reported today, is from the one who was attending the wedding at the Green Resort in Guwahati. Then we have 12 from Ribhoi, 7 male and 5 female. Southwest Garo Hills, we have only 2, both are male. East Jante Hills district, we have only 1 that is male. West Garo Hills district, we have 3, 2 male and 1 female.
Nakaliang Director ka DHSMI Dr. Amanwar ulayatu baladon hadu sanspa pratli ki jingsim nongmuna nakipat ba haberni hat bat khana para bat boro kilong negatif. Dr. War ulayatu ba ka jingsim nongmuna kandang beteng bet hadu panda simlut ya baro kibreu.